Stuck with the IE Runtime Utility DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before diving into the manual fix for IE Runtime Utility, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the IE Runtime Utility, the IE Runtime Utility Library. It provides unmanaged helper functions for the Trident and EdgeHTML engines, managing the data link for localized web rendering manifests. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing IE Runtime Utility DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the IE Runtime Utility component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install IE Runtime Utility DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for IE Runtime Utility Library references. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing IE Runtime Utility was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.